In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, you can always pinch your display and hit Widgets at the bottom. Then click on this icon of the magnifying glass at the top right corner and look for Google app. When you find it, click on it and tap on Add to Home Screen under Search Bar Widget. Now you can hold it and place it wherever you want to. And once you finish, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!